Notice the Leah in her natural habitat. Lazy and not doing her chores. Let's get a close-up.
Oh, stop.
Yeah, so since I was going to say it's Sunday, we could probably do it on Sunday or
There
whatever.
she's shielding from predators.
Oh, go away.
Okay. Well, okay, you're welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye. No, you just want, I thought
Go away.
Okay, it's off.
Whatever.
The natural Leah is very smart for her species. She can speak, which is surprising.
Would you just go away?
The only human capability that she doesn't have is the fact that she can't learn geometry. It's a very shocking subject. There's a close-in on her face. That's her tiger growl. That's her tiger eye. And her tiger eye. That's her tiger nose. And her tiger mouth. And her tiger chin. And her hippopotamus butt. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tune in next time on the strangest, weirdest, ugliest, stupidest creatures in the world. I'm Dan Threlkeld, and catch me again on Channel 2 News. Here's Leah trying to clean up after a mess that she made fighting over her food, which was supposed to be my popcorn, but she stole it from me. Watch as she throws it away. That wasteful pig.
Oh, you're the one who did it.
Yeah, I did it. That's why you're cleaning it up. That makes sense. Watch as she eats viciously.
Hold on. I dropped popcorn. I got that sweet